Welcome back to BartlikBartlik YouTube channel. Uh, we have our structure here. We have our building structure here. So this building structure, we have done a screed layout. We have done something we call screed layout. So the screed layout is just like a setting out. This one is just to show the sizes of the rooms and also to give alignment when you start doing your block work. So this is the screed layout. You can see that is the screed layout, and I've said the purpose of doing the screed layout is to give the alignment when you start doing your block work or when you start doing your masonry walling. And before you start doing your masonry walling, after you have done your screed layout, the screed layout is normally the size is normally the width size of the screed layout is the same as the width of the block. So at our site here we have our blocks. Our blocks are 200 millimeters wide. So also you can see our screed layout is 200 millimeter wide. So that is why the screed layout is 200 millimeter wide. So the screed layout is 200 millimeter wide, the same as the width of the block, which is also 200 millimeter. So after we have done our screed layout, in order to give, or rather to show, or rather to indicate the layout of the rooms, after we have done the screed layout, the screed layout also, I will mention that the thickness of the screed layout is 20 millimeter, but the width I've said is 200 millimeter, which is the same width of the block, but the thickness of the screed is 20 millimeter. So after we have done our screed layout, now we will come and lay a material called DPC, damp proof course. Damp proof course is a material made from bitumen. So this is the damp proof course, and the purpose of laying the damp proof course, that is before we start laying our blocks, before we start placing our blocks, the purpose of this material called DPC is to prevent moisture from rising on the wall. And moisture rises on the wall through a process called capillarity. So in order to prevent the moisture from rising on the wall, we lay a material called DPC. And as you know, when the moisture rises on the wall, it will make the paint to peel off. When you do your paint finish and then you find that the moisture is rising on the wall, then that paint will be peeling off. That is because of the moisture rising on that wall. And also the plaster finish of the wall might also start peeling off. So when plaster peels off from the wall, then your wall will look ugly. So in order to avoid this kind of damages, we normally place a material called DPC, the damp proof course, in order to avoid such kind of damages. So that is the purpose of DPC. So it is a material called damp proof course, and it is laid before you start placing your block work. Thank you.